in the theory class?
Loop, ma'am.
Loop. Okay. I think
Ma'am,
this is
conditional statements and loop is over.
okay. If else is over.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm posting 3 assignments. Okay. Assignment 1, 2, and 3 in your classroom. Just start doing all the assignments now. All of you know how to write a code. I've already taught in the class. I think half of students knows, right? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How many of you have laptops? Okay. Many of them have. I think many of them are having laptops. Okay. So you all of you have downloaded code blocks.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
You know
ma'am.
how to execute.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Say group B people, those who have not attended one class also. I'm asking to them.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
know how?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So we will. I'm just posting. Just wait a minute. Assignment 1, 2, and 3. Okay. You just start doing in the code blocks, and you will put the screenshot and your output, and the when you will submit your assignment. I think 1 week is enough for submitting the assignment.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
There
Yes,
will
ma'am.
Yes,
be
ma'am.
20 questions. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, on my local system, I'm using VS Code, so it would be okay if I put screenshot of the VS Code.
Okay, but when it will be offline class, you have to do in the lab. You have to do it in code blocks. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. That's all.
Okay. You can also many those who can also use online GCC also. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, is it needed to write the code in our project book?
For the time being, it is not needed because we are in online mode. If during the offline classes, I think it will be needed. So if it will be better if you update the record and keep it with you. Because
No,
if
ma'am.
college will
Uh,
reopen, then college
Ma'am,
will
if college will reopen, then we will do the projects. Then we will write that in offline. This we have done in online. That also we will have to write again.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
So, ma'am, should we write these codes in our project book now?
What happened? Yes, tell.
Ma'am, should we write the questions given you in the project book now?
No, now it is not needed. You just, if you don't have laptops, also don't have laptops, you write the code and just share the PDF. And if you are having the laptop, you do the code, put the output, all 20 questions, and send the PDF, submit the PDF. Okay. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, today I will just give hello world, how to print hello world and how to print your names. Then what are the operators related to operators? I will give some questions. And then from unary operator, postfix, prefix, that all, you know,
Yes, ma'am.
decrement prefix and decrement postfix. All of you know these all questions.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay,
No, ma'am.
there will, yes,
I don't have an idea regarding that. No.
you don't have any idea regarding that.
Post
Proof.
decrement regarding post decrement and that one.
Sir has taught in theory class x plus x.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
That's all prefix and postfix. If the operator is before the variable, then it is pre. If the operator is after the variable, then it is post. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So and the third assignment, there will be questions from simple if, then if else, and nested if. Okay, so I'm posting the question. Just check whether you have any doubts regarding that.
Ma'am, can you repeat the instruction regarding how to maintain that practical copy of yours for Group B? Because we didn't
No, for
attend.
for the timing it is not needed. Okay, if there will be, we'll start with offline and offline mode. Then we will instruct again. Okay. For the
Okay,
timing,
ma'am.
you do the assignment completely in the laptop if you have, or you write the code.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Just a minute. I'm posting the assignments. You just check whether you have any doubts or for this regarding. All of you just check the classroom whether the assignment is available.
Yes, ma'am.
Questions are available, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you
Yes, ma'am.
check. All of you just first take some minutes to read the question, and from lab 1, lab 2, lab 3, all the assignments, you read the question first. What is there? Are you able to understand or not? Or you have any doubts? Just clear it now, because I think it is not possible in 1 hour you will complete all the assignments. So at least you should have cleared your doubts so that you can uh, do it in your home also and complete the assignment. So all of you first read all the questions carefully and start executing. If you are okay with, yes, so I'm 10.
Ma'am, please tell the format in which we would be uploading the answer. We would make a single PDF containing all the screenshot of the solution, right?
Yes, you can do it in single PDF. It is
Okay.
better, I think, to make it a single PDF.
Okay. Thank you.
Ma'am, and in the screenshot, we will screenshot the code or code and output also.
Yes, both code and output. Okay. Within the time, let me take your attendance. Roll 1. Roll 1. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Roll number 1, 2,
Present, ma'am.
3, 4,
Present, ma'am.
5,
Present, ma'am.
6,
Present, ma'am.
7, 7, 8,
Present, ma'am.
9,
Present, ma'am.
10,
Present, ma'am.
11,
Yes, ma'am.
12,
Present, ma'am.
13,
Present, ma'am.
14,
Present, ma'am.
15,
Present, ma'am.
16,
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am. 15.
15,
Present, ma'am.
16,
Present, ma'am.
17,
Present, ma'am.
18,
Present, ma'am.
19,
Present, ma'am.
20,
Present, ma'am.
21, 21,
Present,
22,
ma'am. Ma'am, 21 present, ma'am.
22,
Present, ma'am.
23,
Present, ma'am.
24,
Present, ma'am.
25,
Present, ma'am.
26,
Present, ma'am.
27, 28,
Present, ma'am.
29,
Yes, ma'am.
30,
Present, ma'am.
31,
Present, ma'am.
32,
Present, ma'am.
33,
Present, ma'am.
34,
Present, ma'am.
35,
Present, ma'am.
36,
Present, ma'am.
37,
Present, ma'am.
38,
Present, ma'am.
39,
Present, ma'am.
40,
Present, ma'am.
41,
Present, ma'am.
42,
Present, ma'am.
43,
Hello, ma'am. Roll number 1 present.
43. Okay, you wait. Let me complete the attendance. 43, 44,
Present, ma'am.
45,
Present, ma'am.
46,
Present, ma'am.
47. Rudradev Pradhan.
Present, ma'am.
You don't know your roll number?
47.
48,
Present, ma'am.
49, 50,
Present, ma'am.
51,
Present.
52,
Present, ma'am.
53,
Present, ma'am.
54,
Present, ma'am.
55,
Present, ma'am.
56,
Present, ma'am.
57,
Present, ma'am.
58, 59,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am, I have internet issues, so I am present 43 roll number. I have internet issue. Sorry, ma'am.
59, 60,
Present, ma'am.
61,
Present, ma'am.
62, 62, 63,
Present, ma'am.
64,
Present, ma'am.
65,
Present, ma'am.
66, 67,
Present, ma'am.
68,
Present, ma'am.
69,
Present, ma'am.
70.
Present, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Now, how
Ma'am,
many
roll
of
number
your roll number?
58. Roll
58.
number 1 present.
Okay, one. Just a minute. One, then 3,
58.
58.
21, ma'am.
43, ma'am.
Wait, 43 I have done mark to present. 21.
Present, ma'am.
21.
21.
Yes.
Ma'am,
21 is present.
27.
Ma'am, 3.
Ma'am, 66.
Ma'am, 27.
Ma'am, 17 present, ma'am. His mic is not working.
17 is present. Yes,
Ma'am, number 3.
yes. I marked
Ma'am,
present.
66.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, I'm just telling those whose I've marked absent. Roll number 6,
Present, ma'am. Roll number
59.
6 is present.
Okay, 7. Roll number 7. Rule number 7. Then 59, 62. Okay. Start doing the assignment.
We can use VS Code, ma'am. Can we use?
Yes, you can use anything. It's not an issue.
The screenshot that we will attach in the PDF, that can be of VS Code as well.
Yes, you can use that. But my preference is better to use code blocks.
And actually, CodeBlock doesn't work in my PC.
Okay, if it is not working, then you can use any other platform. It's not a big deal. But try to learn also how to execute the code blocks. Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in first question it is asked to write the section, but what is the section?
CSC
That is branch.
branch is that group 1 or group 2. You can also
Okay, ma'am.
skip that. If you don't have the section, you can skip that. No issue.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in lab assignment 2, question number 4, would you please explain that?
Yes. That one is you know about the AND operation.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, there I have done a mistake. I just you check that where I have written a, I have taken two variable, double repeated it. So I think you have to change a variable. There I have done a mistake. Where a equals to I have done d first expression, that a you just change to some other variable. Okay, A and B. Because in the next expression I have given A plus 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 A. So it will be combined, I think. So better to take another variable to that. Okay.
So, ma'am, which value should we give to A and B?
See, A and B first it will be evaluate. Okay. There is an operation between D and C. That value will come to A. And
Yes, ma'am.
here it is D and C, or is there. So it will
Yes.
come to B. Then between A and B, there will be an operation. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. So it is a logical operator and
Yes. So you have to store that variable, whether A and B value will come in, you have to store in another variable. Okay. There I am telling you to change the variable because A and B in the next expression also I have given A and B. Is it clear?
sorry, ma'am, it is not clear.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, can you write the question in chat?
Okay, wait.
Can you again say that how we will share this project?
Yes, yes.
How we will share this assignment? No. send this already.
Ma'am, regarding this same, ma'am, can I just show how we are present, like giving the assignment? Like, can I just share my screen and show? Ma'am, it would be okay, right? To submit like this, na? Like I have written lab 1 program and output.
Just a minute. I'm sharing how the other section students have shared. I'm just showing you that. Okay.
Okay.
Just wait a minute. Some of them has only shared a question and then answer. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this they have shared. But you can share in one PDF also. They have just shared the screenshot. Many of them has done like this. Just a minute, I'm sharing. Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you just see what they have
Yes,
done.
ma'am.
Okay, they have just done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. They have taken the screenshot and just put it. They've just put it. So, but I'm saying that you just combine all these screenshot and put it in one PDF. Many of them has not done in PDF. You just see one have done. See how they have done. See like this. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can either do in this way or you can do it in the other way. Many of them has was having this question doubt. So you just check how they have done. I have already explained them. Just you see, they have taken A, B, C, D value. Okay. Hello? Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you see this program, second assignment, question number 4, you just see. What they have done, you just take A, B, C, D. Then here I have, in the first say two expression I have given A equals to this expression and then B equals to this. So I told them to change the variable. Okay. So I'm telling you also to change the variable. So this person has taken P and Q. Okay. Then you just see what they have done in PQ, and then they have next expression, then next expression, and then this question is final output will be stored in O. And it you just check with what it is coming. It is coming the value of O equals to 0 because it is false. 0 means false. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this way you have to do it. Fourth experiment and fourth program. Then other program is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
And this one also you check 5 program prefix and postfix. What they have done, you see, they have I have just explained them. You will just give one example of postfix. Plus plus means after the variable is postfix and before the variable is prefix. So you have to just show this. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now you do the program, all of you.
Ma'am, we will
What's up?
submit all 3 assignments in one PDF.
You can submit in one PDF or you can submit the screenshots. Okay.
Okay.
I think it is better if you submit. You do okay. All of you do one thing. You submit assignment 1 and 2 in one PDF. Is someone? What is your question?
Ma'am, in the programs you have shown us, they have written a void main. So we can write we have to write void main, or we can do it with int main also.
Okay, you just tell me in why we use int main.
Ma'am, at
In
last we
default,
enter
in
the
default,
integer value to the main.
Is Aman tell?
void will not return anything false. It has.
Yes, if it will not written anything, but for the timing I said that void main we should write because void doesn't return anything. So why we will
Okay,
write
ma'am.
int?
Okay.
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 Okay. Yes, do one thing. Lab assignment 1 and 2, you make it in one PDF, and lab assignment 3, you make it in another PDF. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you just check assignment 3 questions because as time is not there, so it will be very difficult for you to again understand the question and you will be facing a doubts. So it's better you just check now assignment 3 questions whether it is possible for you to do or not, or I will explain the question. Well, if you just check.
Excuse me, ma'am. In question, if there is not written take input user input, then we have to give input, or also we can take user input.
It's completely depends on you whether you will take user input or you will just declare the variable and the value. Okay.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Where it is written that you have to take the user input, like you all of you just see in question number 3, assignment 3, you have to input it. Okay, everything you have to input from user because it's all if else conditions are required, and any you have to give the input and check whether this is coming or that is coming. So everything you have to give input. Till assignment 2, you can declare the variable and value within that. But after assignment 3, in assignment 3, you have to take user input. Okay, question assignment 1, question number 5 is clear to everybody?
Ma'am, in the first question, name, roll number, we have to declare the value.
You can declare, it's just to print, na? So why it is required to declare? First question is only about printf and scanf and operators, and nothing to declare. Only in operators, I think there some. I have also given the value. No need to declare anything. You just check assignment 3.
Ma'am, explain fifth question.
Yes, fifth question. Fifth question is swapping of numbers. Okay. All of you clear what is swapping of numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Reversing it.
Not reverse. Just a minute. I'm creating a Jamboard. Wait. Why it's the axis is not visible? It's not visible. Just a minute. Okay, wait.
We have to interchange the values now, the variables.
Yes, just see. But I have given you using the third variable. Is the screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Just see A and B. Okay. After what logic you will put here so that B value will come to A and A value will come to B. In this way you have to do. Okay. So what you will do, I am telling you to take a third variable. So what you will do, if C equals to, C is blank. So first you put the value of A in C. Okay. Then A is blank now. So what you will do, you put A equals to
B.
B. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
B is vacant. So what you will do? B
B is
equals to
equal to
C.
C.
Equals to A.
Yes, now it's over. Now you will get to print AB, then your value will print. Okay. This is the swapping logic for swapping two number using third variable. But also you in the next class I may give a question to swap a variable without using third variable. So in that case, what you will do? You have to use plus and minus so that you will get that value. Okay, that you have to think what is the logic we can use there. Is it clear? First assignment to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
the first four question is only have to add and subtract, and I have given the number also. Second assignment, any doubt? Yes, tell. Yes, tell.
Ma'am,
What?
question number 4, second assignment. Ma'am, what
Hmm.
is O?
O is O is the output that you have to store. I have shown you, na? Just now I told. Hello, am
Yes,
I
ma'am.
audible? Yes, fourth number question that O you have to, that is the last variable you have to take. The output of the last it will show in O. That's why I have given that variable. Any doubt regarding another question? Question number 4, I have shown the full program. Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me in assignment 3 what you have doubts. All of you please move to assignment 3 and tell me what are the doubts you are having. Tell me. Rudraksh. Assignment 2 I have already shown. Question number 5 what you have to do. You have to take only prefix and postfix and you have to show the output. Nothing is there.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, would you please explain again what is the difference between void main and int main?
See, in void main, we are getting no return. Means the void means zero. There will be no return. Okay. But in int, there you may accept, means you may expect that some integer value will return after the program. after the execution. Okay, but again we have to write the return 0, means it will not return anything.
Sorry, ma'am, it is not clear.
In void you have, in void main there, void means nothing will return. Just remember that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
In int main there may be some value of integer value that may return.
Okay.
This is a common difference, you just remember that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, once show a PDF in written format, not a screenshot.
Hmm?
Once show a PDF in written format, not a screenshot in laptop through written.
Written format, just a minute, let me check whether they have submitted or not. Just a minute.
What if we send the C file?
Hmm?
No, what if we will send the C file in a folder, all C files in a folder? Like
You may listen, you may save the C, send the C file, or you do one thing, you don't send the C file, only send the PDF. Okay. Or you
okay.
can also make the PDF of C files in G format. You can send that also. But it is very difficult. That will be very difficult
Ma'am,
for
we
you.
have to zip it then.
Yes, that's why I'm saying it's very. Then it will be very difficult for me to open the G file and check. You do it in PDF format. This will be, I think, better.
Ma'am, we can use either void main or int main, or is it like that we have to use only void main only?
No, you do you know what is the difference between, I said now, void and int? Is it returning something?
No, ma'am.
No.
Then why will use int man? Just tell me, why will use int man? Is it returning something value? Some value is it returning?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Hmm? If it will be returning some integer type data, then we can use it int main. Means like when you will use functions, there will be variety of different types of functions. Okay, for one addition, one function for subtraction. At that time, there will be one addition will call to another subtraction. At that time, we'll use there will be a return value. At that time, we can use int. Okay, int main, so that the addition of two numbers will be returned to the main function. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So it's not necessary for us now to try to integer, because we know that it is not returning anything. So void main you write. Mona Lisa,
Yes.
are you able to do the programs? Are you doing the programs? Meenakshi? Okay, Arnav, what you are saying?
Ma'am, I said yes.
Okay. Meenakshi and Mona Lisa, am I audible to you? I think group 1 I have taken the class offline, right? Group 1 students?
Yes, ma'am.
I
Yes,
have
ma'am.
taken your offline class, right? Those were in group 1.
Yes, ma'am. You have taken offline class.
Okay. There I have taught you, right? What is the difference between void and int?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. You have taught that.
Okay. Okay. Sneha, is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am. Clear, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so all of you do the program. If you complete it, then you can leave.
Show a PDF, ma'am, in written format once.
Yes?
Show a PDF in written format, ma'am, once.
No one has submitted. I'm just searching that only. But they were telling something. Which wait just a minute.
Ma'am, when we have to submit these assignments?
Next week. I have already given the due date 26th January.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Is it okay or shall I extend more?
No, ma'am, it is okay.
No,
1
it's
week is
okay.
okay,
Extend,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Because I have given 1 week time. You have three means total. You have I think 20 programs.
Ma'am, can you make it 27?
20?
Either
Third.
26 night or 27 morning.
27 why?
Just because if for some reason we are late, we'll have extra date to do the assignment. 26 will be holiday, na?
26 is holiday, but in online mode, why it is why you have to submit it in the next day? No issue with that.
No, ma'am, he's saying you can change the time to uh, midnight 26th.
Yes, it is midnight 26. It's or what time I have given? Just a minute, wait. Okay, oh, okay. It is 25th till 25th. No. 26th up to 12 up to 11:59 you can submit. Night 11:59 you can submit also.
Okay, ma'am.
Because if it is January 26th, then due date, then up to 11:59 January 26th you can submit up PM. I'm not getting anyone's PDF in written format. Just wait a minute. Okay, you do one thing is I got someone has sent me in dot text file. Okay, you can do also in that way. Just see. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
You can see in this way. You can write it and submit it in this way. Okay?
How, ma'am? How, ma'am?
Huh? Those who don't have laptop, you can submit in this way.
How we write that? Like,
Ma'am,
Write
ma'am,
it
it's
in. Yes.
ma'am, text file. Ma'am, it's a text file. So
Yes, you can write in Notepad or Word, or it's better if you write in Word file and then you send it.
Ma'am, should you also have to write the output of the program?
You have the laptop?
Yes, ma'am, I have, but just for the sake of, I am asking that.
If you have the laptop, you
Okay,
just
ma'am.
put the screenshot of the output. Those who don't have the laptop, you don't no need to write the output. You just write the program and submit it.
okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. I'm asking you about assignment 3. Anyone, you are not saying me you don't have any doubt in assignment 3, or you, what
ma'am,
you
no
are
doubt.
doing? No doubt. I'll consider it as no doubt. Afterwards, you don't say me that, in the next class, don't say that, ma'am, we have not done assignment 3. There were some doubts. That's why I'm asking you that if you have any doubt in all the questions, you just ask me now only.
Ma'am, sixth one, ma'am.
Yes?
Sixth one, ma'am.
Sixth one. Yes.
Ma'am,
Tell me
what
what is the
inputs and
formula
what
of
the formula we have
profit?
to take to calculate profit or loss? Hmm.
Tell me. SP minus CP. Selling price minus cost price.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to input selling price and cost price.
Okay, ma'am.
If selling price is more, how we can know that whether it is a profit or loss? By subtracting. So you no need to do anything. It will automatically show you give selling price equal to this, cost price equals to this. Then you give profit is SP minus CP, loss is CP minus SP. This is the formula, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So if condition you put there in both the profit and loss, so it will automatically show that whether you whatever you have input the selling price and cost price, whether it is profit or it is loss.
Okay, ma'am.
Accordingly you put. Any doubt regarding again assignment 3? Rudraksh, question number 2 of which assignment? Of assignment 3, okay. What is the question? Let me see. Okay, to check whether the negative or positive. What is the condition, you tell me first, for negative?
Less than 0, ma'am.
And for positive? Greater than 0. Just put it in if condition, it will work.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in assignment 1, question 4, it is saying that we have to perform these operations and we have to show the output in ABCD means.
Means it will show, you will show the output as A equals to for addition, B equals
Okay,
to
okay.
subtraction. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. By taking inputs, no?
Yeah, by taking inputs.
Okay, ma'am.
Meenakshi, Meenakshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I'm calling you from that time. Why you are not answering me?
Ma'am, mic is not responding.
Okay, are you doing the program?
Yes, मैम 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 थोड़ा बहुत आता है उसका बैकग्राउंड में नहीं हूँ मैम
What?
मैम आई एम बायोलॉजी स्टूडेंट हूँ
Yes, that's why only I'm calling you from that time, that whether you are able to do or not. I know you are from biology background, but that doesn't mean that you will not. You are attending the theory class, right?
यस मैम
You and Mona Lisa both are from biology department, from biology background. I know. That's why I'm calling you both.
यस मैम मैम
I
कर
told you in
रही
the
है
class also that you are not able to do. If you will not do, then how you will go ahead in this computer science branch? You should clear each and every doubt. You are attending the theory class.
यस मैम
You are having doubts. You are having doubts. You just 2 minutes, ma'am. Just wait a minute. Meenakshi,
यस मैम
you are having doubts.
यस मैम
Yes, then tell me what are the doubts you are having. Tell me. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Tell.
Ma'am, in the question number 4 or lab 1, I was asking if we have to do all the 4 operations on both the numbers or we have to take an input of what operation to be done.
Yeah, in both means you take 2 inputs and you can do all the 4 operations.
And because I have written code of like I have taken input of 2 numbers and then I have displayed all the 4 operations on both of these numbers.
Hmm.
That would be okay, right?
Yes, it will work.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Is it working?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then it is okay. Yes. Yes, Prabhanjan, tell.
Ma'am, in assignment 1, question 3, can you explain that? What do we have to do?
Is the question. Read the question.
Ma'am, write a program to sub two variables by taking.
Subtract 2 variables.
Oh,
Like,
subtract.
yes.
No, ma'am, I
Only
thought substitute.
no, it's subtract. I've written in the fourth also, you see sub.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Amantel?
When we write programs in code blocks, sometimes the in build log it shows process terminated with minus. What does it mean?
Share your screen, I'm not able to understand.
I'm taking the मैम मोबाइल में कर रहा हूँ है तो लैपटॉप शेयर नहीं हो पाएगी
अच्छा ठीक है क्या दिखा रहा है प्रॉब्लम क्या हो रहा है
मैम प्रोग्राम तो चल रहा है लेकिन प्रोसेस टर्मिनेटेड विद स्टेटस -107 ऐसे कुछ करके
Minus, then it is a garbage value.
ओके मैम.
Yes, Meenakshi, how many programs you have done?
Yes, ma'am.
How many programs you have completed?
मैं operator.
Which operator?
मैम ज़्यादा क्लियर नहीं हूँ, थोड़ा थोड़ा अभी शुरू कर रही हूँ.
तो लैपटॉप है ना तुम्हारे पास?
मैम लैपटॉप है.
Then what is your problem? If you have the laptop, then what is your problem? You just say me.
मैम क्लियर नहीं हूँ ना, तो मैंने
अब
थियोरी
कौन
वाला
से
पढ़ा
जगह
है.
पे क्लियर नहीं है?
हेलो मैम.
Yes, in which place, in which portion you don't have cleared? Just tell me the portion you're not cleared. Printf, you know what is the function? Hmm? I think you have done first class of offline first class you have done.
Yes, ma'am.
There I have explained what is printf, what is scanf.
Yes, ma'am.
That portion you are clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, उसके बाद क्या डाउट है बोलो? And any more students who is from biology background and not able to do the program? Just tell me.
Yes मैम, बट ट्राई कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ, जहाँ पे डाउट हो just ask me, okay? Immediately
मैम.
you ask me so that I can know that you are facing this in this portion. You people are facing problem. नहीं तो पीछे रह जाओगे तुम लोग. समझ में आ रहा है ना मेरा बात?
यस मैम.
सात्विक?
हाँ
Is
मैम.
it clear?
यस मैम.
You do the any more students? Many of them were there, I think. Last class, group one is Bisal. Is Bisal tell? Jami Bisal. Okay, Sneha tell.
I'm not facing any problem. I'm just telling I am from biology background also. If I face, then I will tell.
Okay. You are able to do the. You able to write the program, no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You are not able to do. Okay. You have attend my first class offline.
Ma'am, you are asking me.
Yes, you are in group two, right?
Yes, ma'am.
No, you are not. You are not there. In theory class, you are getting right.
Yes, ma'am. I am able to do the programs, ma'am. No problem till now.
Okay. Okay, you just inform Mona Lisa. She was there in the while I was taking the attendance, but now she is not present. Just inform that whether she is giving the attendance and leaving the meeting or any problem she is facing.
Okay, ma'am.
Just call her and ask. Ma'am is calling you. Just tell. Okay, all of you do the program.
Ma'am?
And Yes.
Ma'am, I'm not from biology background, but I don't have much coding background.
Okay, no issue. You are able to understand, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Listen, no one is when you are if you join in the first year, no one is from coding background. Okay, so just try to learn the things whatever is taught in the class, and whatever assignment I'm giving you. That's why I'm asking you 100 times that whether you are able to understand the question or not, because it is very important thing that you are able to understand the question,
Yes, ma'am.
and then you put your own logic whether it is able you are able to put your own logic or not. These
Yes, ma'am.
things are important, right? And first you try to clarify all your errors. If you compile your errors and you work it on, identify your errors, then you will become a very good coder one day. I'm just telling you to try to work on your errors, not that मैम ये error आ गया अभी क्या करें, ऐसे नहीं है. You work it on your errors. What are the errors? Why you are getting errors? You just identify by your own, so that you can become a good coder in future. And you are from CSE background, so you need to learn the codes. At least C program basic things you need to learn, because now only you are with the control statement. Afterwards you will go to functions, then recursions. At that time you will be not able to do the program also. Is it clear? So अब अभी से करना start करो ताकि in future you can do by your own.
Hello, ma'am. Actually, I called Mona Lisa. She was saying that her mother is admitted and she is having some medical issues, so she left the meeting.
Okay, okay. Uh, any doubt regarding again? I'm asking, or else I'll wind up here. Yes, Harsh, tell.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in question number 9 of the assignment 3.
Question number 9. Yes, tell what?
Ma'am, here it is written take input as 2020. What does that mean?
Hmm. You have to take two integers. Okay. Suppose your
Yes, ma'am.
integer a equals to 20 and b equals to 20.
Mm-hmm.
You will just check that whether these two a number one a equals to b or not. If it is okay, if it is equal, then you will just print that a and b are equal. This is
Okay,
the
ma'am.
only concept, nothing else.
Yeah, got it, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. So I'll end up the meeting here. Any doubt again, you just tell me.
Ma'am, in assignment 2, second question, print output x and y, no, ma'am. That is the Boolean expression, true or false,
Hmm?
0 or 1. Second question, assignment 2.
Assignment 2, second question. This print the value of x and y. I've given the expression.
I can't differentiate where is x and where is y, capital Y.
Just a minute, wait. Just see. I've given the in question a question number 2. 2 or
Uh,
3.
2, ma'am.
Yes, you see, I've given x equal to 10, y equal to 15. Then you just put that expression x plus plus minus y plus plus y plus x minus y plus minus x plus plus. You have to just print the value of x and y. That's all.
Ma'am, in that expression, capital X and capital Y are separate, ma'am.
No, same.
Okay.
Only capital X is no. You can take it. I have just given small x. There's no difference between capital X and small x. Okay, all are the variables. But here you have to take whatever variable you will declare, that only will be present in the expression. I by mistakenly I have written it in capital letter.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So I am winding up the meeting here. Yes, Arnav,
Ma'am, now we have given the assignments that we will do, ma'am, but if we are doing any other program and if it is not working, we are discussing with friends, but still if it is not working, can we ask you, how can we ask?
You take my number. All of you have my number?
No, ma'am.
Okay. You mail me otherwise, because sometimes I'm not able to see the call. Just
Okay,
mail me.
ma'am. Mail.
Mail ID, I think you all have mine.
Mail ID also don't have.
Just check the chat box I'm giving.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can I leave now or?
Is it clear to all now? Shall we wind up the meeting? All the questions are cleared?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, in the assignment one, question number 4, we have to do only integer division, not modular division. In the assignment 1 for question number 4, we have to do only integer division, not modular division.
Yes, integer division only.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So I'm winding up the meeting. Any doubt, you just mail me, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you,
Have a
ma'am.
good day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
All
you,
of
ma'am.
you try to complete the assignment within a week and submit it in the time. Okay? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Yes.